Welcome to History Art. I Shraddha welcome you all. As we know, India is fighting against the injustice and tyranny of British. There is a twist in this freedom struggle because the reign of the national movement is handed over to Gandhiji. Let us meet Gandhiji.
We are in South Africa, where Gandhiji fought against racism. Let us meet Gandhiji. From where did you started your political career? I started my political career from South Africa. What is the aim of Satyagraha? The aim of Satyagraha is to make person who inflicts injustice on others and aware of the truth and justice of the matter and transform the opponent's opinion. What are the constructive programs? The constructive program are prohibition of alcohol, popularizing Hindu-Muslim unity, eradication of untouchability, national education, and popularization of British will tell you about Rowlatt Act and Stansfeld Act.
I am the British officer. I started the Rowlatt Act because the discontent among the British and Indians was growing day by day. And the act was that a British officer can arrest any Indian without inquiry, and then there will not be any action taken against the punishment given to them. The Indians didn't agree with the Montague-Chelmsford Act, and so the British government in Britain sent Simon to check for the discontent among the British and Indians.
There was an incident taken place which influenced many people. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The struggle against the Rowlatt Act became more intense in the Punjab province. The government arrested many leaders like Gandhiji, Dr. Satyapal, Dr. Safedin Khichdi to protest against these developments. A meeting was called at Jallianwala Bagh on 13 April 1999 on the occasion of the Baisakhi festival. General Dyer ruthlessly opened fire on the unarmed people. Many people died in this massacre. Rabindranath Tagore renounced the knighthood conferred upon him by the British government.
Tagore, can you say that what is meant by Khilafat movement?
The Muslims all over the world looked upon Sultan of Turkey as their Khalif or the basic reign of God on earth. After the First World War, an insulating treaty was imposed upon Turkey, which belonged to the defeated power group. This resulted in the disintegration of the Turkish Empire. The Muslims were greatly enraged by this. The movement launched by the Indian Muslims in support of the Khalif is known as the Khilafat movement. Gandhiji felt that launching a national movement based on Hindu-Muslim unity on this issue was certainly bring the British government to book.
Thank you. What is about Nehru report?
In the report, it was proposed that India should be given a dominant status. The government was warned that if it did not accept the provisions of the Nehru report, the Congress would launch a non-cooperation struggle.
permission to enter the legislative council with a view to obstructing the government. Thank you. Can you give me a brief on Swaraj, Purna Swaraj?
I am Subhash Chandra Bose. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and I, Subhash Chandra Bose, were the two leaders of young generation. Purna Swaraj was held at Lahore. It was decided that the 26th of January 1930 should be observed as Independence Day. Thank you.
It was decided that the 26th January should be observed as the Independence Day. All over the country on 26th January 1930 was a place to lead the freedom struggle on a small island path in order to make India independent of the British power. Everywhere in the country, the atmosphere was changed